Imagine packing your entire desk setup into something that fits in your backpack or even your laptop sleeve. In 2025, foldable keyboards aren't just a niche gadget anymore. They've evolved into powerful, ergonomic tools that make working on the go easier, faster, and far more comfortable. Today, we're diving into the top 5 foldable keyboards of 2025, devices that combine sleek portability with high-end typing performance, multi-device connectivity, and designs that fold down small enough to slip into your pocket. The links of all products are given in the description below. Let's start with the one that packs the entire office into a single stylish case. Number 5. ProtoArc XK01 CaseUp Combo. ProtoArc XK01 CaseUp Combo redefines portable computing by combining 3 essential tools: a full-sized foldable Bluetooth keyboard, a compact travel mouse, and an adjustable laptop stand into one sleek, protective carrying case. Designed for serious remote workers, it delivers the comfort of a desktop setup while still being small enough to slip into a back. The foldable keyboard itself features a durable aluminum alloy body with a solid key feel that avoids the flimsy sensation common in cheaper foldables. It uses Bluetooth 5.1 for faster pairing, greater stability, and the ability to connect with up to 3 devices simultaneously, allowing seamless switching between your laptop, tablet, and smartphone at the press of a button. This makes it especially useful for multitaskers and hybrid workers who juggle multiple platforms. XKM01 offers a full key layout with satisfying tactile feedback, similar to what you'd expect from a premium laptop keyboard. The built-in rechargeable battery can last up to 90 hours of continuous use on a single charge, and standby time extends into weeks, meaning you can confidently travel without constantly recharging. The included mouse is compact but ergonomically shaped for prolonged use, and the adjustable laptop stand supports both laptops and tablets, improving posture during long work sessions. The entire kit folds down into a slim hard-shell case about the size of a hardcover book, ensuring that everything is protected while on the move. For professionals who want the complete workstation experience without the bulk, the ProtoArc XK01 CaseUp Combo is hard to beat. Number 4. iClever BK08. When it comes to combining premium craftsmanship, portability, and multi-device control, the iClever stands out as one of the most refined foldable keyboards of 2025. This tri-folding keyboard is designed with aircraft-grade aluminum housing, giving it both a sleek, modern look and the durability needed for life on the road. The iClever BK08 connects by a Bluetooth 5.1, enabling stable pairing and lag-free input across up to 3 devices simultaneously. With a simple key command, you can switch between your laptop, tablet, and smartphone, a huge productivity boost for people who need to type across multiple platforms during the day. This addition eliminates the need for a separate mouse in many scenarios, allowing you to scroll, swipe, and click directly from the keyboard's surface. The touchpad supports intuitive multi-finger gestures on both Windows and Mac OS, which can speed up navigation for power users. Typing comfort is also a highlight. The BK08 offers well-spaced keys with scissor switch mechanisms. The BK08 is equipped with a rechargeable lithium battery that lasts up to 60 hours of active typing on a single charge. Charging is done via USB-C, which is becoming the universal standard for fast and reliable power delivery. Portability is where the BK08 truly shines. When folded, it's small enough to fit into a jacket pocket or even a small purse, making it an ideal choice for commuters, travelers, or anyone working in cafes and co-working spaces. The aluminum body not only looks premium, but also protects the keyboard from accidental drops or bumps. Overall, the iClever BK08 is a smart investment for users who want the perfect balance between portability and functionality. With its robust build, smooth folding action, and built-in touchpad, it's one of the most versatile foldable keyboards you can buy in 2025. Number 3. Samsers Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. If you're looking for a budget-friendly yet premium-feeling foldable keyboard, the Samsers Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard with touchpad is one of 2025's best choices. It's designed with travelers, remote workers, and mobile multitaskers in mind, offering a blend of portability, comfort, and versatility that's rare at its price point. This model uses a tri-fold aluminum alloy design, making it both lightweight and sturdy. The folding hinges feel secure, and the overall build gives you confidence. One standout feature is the integrated touchpad, which allows you to navigate your device without carrying a separate mouse. The Samsers keyboard connects via Bluetooth 5.1, ensuring stable connections with minimal latency. It supports pairing with multiple devices, so you can easily switch between your laptop, tablet, and smartphone without constantly repairing. Typing on the Samsers keyboard feels surprisingly comfortable for its size. The keys have a scissor switch mechanism, providing good feedback and making longer typing sessions less fatiguing. Battery performance
performance is another strong point. It offers up to 48 hours of continuous use on a single charge. Charging is handled via a standard USB-C port, ensuring quick and convenient top-ups no matter where you are. When folded, the keyboard is incredibly compact, small enough to slip into a tablet sleeve or a small bag.
Number 2, ProtoArc XK01. It's a foldable Bluetooth keyboard with numeric keypad. For professionals who can't live without a full-size layout and dedicated numeric keypad, the ProtoArc XK01 foldable Bluetooth keyboard is a standout choice in 2025. The XK01 features a 3-panel foldable design that allows it to collapse from a standard full-size keyboard into a compact, travel-friendly form just over 8 inches long. At only 10.5 ounces, it's lightweight enough to carry in a backpack, messenger bag, or even a large tablet sleeve without adding noticeable weight. Despite its portable size, the typing experience feels close to that of a desktop keyboard, thanks to well-spaced keys and responsive scissor switch mechanisms. Connectivity is handled via Bluetooth 5.1, offering quick pairing and a stable link with minimal input lag. The keyboard supports multi-device pairing, making it easy to switch between your laptop, tablet, and smartphone with just a key press. The built-in numeric keypad is a major advantage for anyone working in finance, data entry, or any role that requires frequent number input. Battery life is another highlight. The XK01 offers weeks of usage on a single charge, thanks to its energy-efficient design. It charges through USB-C, which is both convenient and increasingly universal, meaning you can use the same charger as your laptop or phone in many cases. Matte finish resists fingerprints and gives it a professional, understated look that fits well in business environments. In short, ProtoArc XK01 is ideal for anyone who refuses to compromise on productivity tools while traveling. It delivers the rare combination of a full-size layout, numeric keypad, and portability, making it one of the most versatile foldable keyboards available this year. Number 1. Jellycomb B003B. Winding up the series on Jellycomb B003B foldable Bluetooth keyboard is a compact, travel-friendly typing solution designed for professionals, students, and digital nomads who need full functionality on the go. Measuring just 5.98 by 3.82 inches when folded and weighing under 7 ounces, it slips easily into a bag, backpack, or even a jacket pocket. One of its standout features is its dual connectivity and USB wired connection. This means you can connect it to virtually any device, including Windows laptops, Android tablets, and iPads, with a simple pairing process and instantly switch to wired mode when plugged in for lag-free typing. The keyboard also includes a built-in touchpad, turning it into a portable workstation in one piece. Despite its compact footprint, the B003B offers well-spaced keys with a responsive tactile feel that closely mimics a standard desktop keyboard, reducing the adjustment time for new users. Its folding design makes it easy to carry, its multi-device compatibility ensures it works with all your tech, and its sturdy build means it's ready for years of reliable use. It's a small device that makes a big impact on mobile productivity. That wraps up our look at the top 5 foldable keyboards of 2025. Compact, versatile, and built for productivity anywhere. Whether you're a remote worker, a frequent traveler, or just someone who values saving space without sacrificing comfort, these keyboards prove you can have it all in your bag. If you found this guide helpful and are ready to grab one of these keyboards, check out the links in the description for the latest deals. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. See you in the next one.